Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, June 6th. We did see some scattered showers and storms yesterday evening and into the overnight hours. Still seeing some lingering low cloudiness as we had expected this morning. We should be seeing at least a couple of breaks of sun as we go towards late morning hours this afternoon. Then we'll have a cool front drop across the Delmarva late this afternoon and early this evening, bringing a slight chance of some isolated showers and storms. Taking a look at our surface analysis, there we have that cold front depicted on the map here across Pennsylvania. That's going to continue to drop southward, and that will approach our area this evening, helping to bring a focusing mechanism for any chances of showers and storms. Ahead of that front, it is going to depend on how much clearing we get today for our temperatures, but if we do get enough sun, we will be seeing those temperatures rise potentially into the upper 80s before that front passes early this evening. Taking a look at our temperatures across the area, as you can see, we're having a very mild morning across the region. Widespread temperatures in the lower to mid 70s for lows this morning due to this abundant moisture we've been seeing. We're still seeing that westerly flow bringing in a warm air mass ahead of that front that we are expecting later this afternoon. Taking a look at our wind speeds, as you can see, winds are fairly light across much of the mid-Atlantic. They do look to be the breeziest here along the lower shore, with southwesterly winds running around 8 to 13 knots. And we're going to see those winds shift a little more westerly as we go toward this afternoon, which will help to bump those temperatures up into the mid to upper 80s, especially if we get some clearing later this morning into this afternoon. As of 8:15 a.m., we're just seeing some broken lowered cloud decks at 1,300, 1,800 feet, overcast at 10,000. Winds were from azimuth 230 at 10 knots with a temperature of 76 degrees, 85% humidity. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be expecting a temperature of 86 degrees. Could see that a little bit higher if we get some more sun this afternoon, but it does look like these clouds are going to struggle to break up until we get into the late morning and early afternoon hours. We're going to see those winds shift more westerly late this morning into this afternoon at 8 to 13 knots with a slightly higher gust. Then they'll be decreasing into the evening hours, becoming light and variable as we go near sunset. And then we'll see those winds shift northwesterly at 5 to 10 knots after midnight Friday, and then becoming onshore at northeasterly at 5 to 10 knots by the mid-morning hours of Friday. We're also going to be seeing some low clouds fill in once again by that time, by about sunrise Friday morning. We're going to see those chances of showers and storms with that cool front as we go towards dinner time. It does look like the best chances for seeing any storms. This is going to be between about 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. Still a slight chance of a lingering shower through about 9 p.m. and then we'll see things that precipitation chances end. After that, we're going to be seeing some low clouds fill in as we get some onshore flow developing by mid-morning tomorrow, with another mild low expected near 71 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we should see those lower level clouds break up by the late morning hours, becoming few at 2,000, few at 6,000, with scattered mid-level deck near 15,000 by lunchtime, and that should remain the case as we go towards the afternoon. And then when we get those showers and storms, could see those ceilings down between about 2,000 to 4,000 feet if we get into any heavier shower activity. Once those showers move past the region, we'll start to see some lower level clouds fill in, and those ceilings will lower down. By the time we get into 5 a.m. Friday, could be seeing ceilings below 1,000 feet at times, especially along the immediate coast. Could even be seeing them down to around 500 feet, possible by 8 a.m. on Friday. So for tomorrow, we're going to be looking at mostly cloud to overcast skies. It does look like we are going to be seeing that front that's going to pass the area tonight lift north again as we go towards the late morning hours Friday. Could see that rain start as early as about 8 a.m. It does look like after 10 a.m. it's going to be some better chances. And then with that onshore flow, it's going to keep things a little bit cooler, high of 76, possibly even struggling to get up to that, depending on how much precipitation we get. But that stationary front is going to be pretty much draped right on top of us, as well as with a weak low developing to the south. There is going to be abundant moisture in the area, so I think tomorrow it does look like a good chance of seeing some shower activity throughout much of the day with persistent low cloudiness. That low cloudiness will continue through Friday night, expecting a low of 67. Still looking like a chance of some showers or drizzle, but it does look like that front's going to settle south again as we get some high pressure building to the north. And then on Saturday, high pressure will have nudged that front south, far enough south where it looks like we're going to get a break in the rain for Saturday. Onshore flow persisting with still looking at a chance of low cloudiness, keeping that high down to around 75 degrees. Could also see that onshore flow become a little bit gusty at times as we get the tighter pressure gradient setting up as high pressure builds off to the north. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.